In a beautiful, lush green garden, birds chirped sweetly, flowers spread their fragrance, and bees gently flew around collecting nectar. The trees offered cool shade, and the breeze blew softly and calmly. Amidst the beauty of nature, a tiny sparrow built its nest on a large tree and happily lived there, collecting small grains for its needs. One day, two brothers named Raman and Ramu were walking through the garden, joyfully talking to each other while happily admiring the beauty of nature. At that time, a monkey playing nearby climbed onto the same tree where the sparrow had built its nest. Since the sparrow was not there, the monkey tore apart the nest and destroyed it. That scene made Raman feel very sad. He said to Ramu sorrowfully, "How lovingly that little sparrow must have built this nest. But now the monkey has destroyed it." When the sparrow, which went in search of food, returns and sees its torn nest, how sad it will feel. Ramu looked at him calmly and said with a smile, "The sparrow will definitely not be sad. Because the monkey can only destroy the sparrow's nest. But it can never destroy the sparrow's skill to build a nest and its confidence. That little sparrow will build an even more beautiful nest again in a safer place." "A sparrow with such skill and self-confidence will never feel sad," said Ramu. In the same way, someone may take away our hard work or possessions. But no one can ever steal our skill, perseverance, or the confidence that comes with them. With that skill and persistent effort, we too can regain what we have lost, said Ramu. After a while, the sparrow returned. It stood still for a few moments, looking at its broken nest. But then, it did not feel sad, only determined. It flew from that tree to the next, filled with enthusiasm to build a new nest. Seeing that, Raman was amazed and said, "Ramu, what you said is true. Look, the sparrow has already started rebuilding its nest." Both of them smiled happily. Nature taught them a great lesson in life, that no one can ever defeat a person who possesses skill and self-confidence. Then, talking happily and filled with good thoughts in their hearts, Raman and Ramu reached their home.